So let me start off by saying I know absolutely nothing about war, and I'm the least qualified to talk Army strategy. Although in high school, I did talk to a Navy recruiter, and I was pretty sure I was going to be a Navy SEAL, and I almost joined up until I realized that I'm a wimp. Moving on. So question, does a general sit on the front lines of his army in order to understand what's going on in our current setting? I don't think so. Given how big the battlefields are nowadays, a general doesn't sit on the front line to gain scope of what he's dealing with. So it should be the same thing with your business, no matter how big or small, is you're not going to get a big picture of everything by just sitting in one part of your warehouse or your workshop or wherever you operate business out of. You need reports, just like any general would get reports from the front line. So what reports are you getting from your business army? Because no news is actually not good news. So 3 examples of some of the possible reports that you should be relying on. An adjustment report. What this means is any changes that your inventory software has made to your financial solution, probably QuickBooks, it tells you what that's been so that you know what's happened and you're on the same page. There's a gross sales report where you are identifying essentially your best-selling products and also the performance of your salespeople depending on how you set it up. So think of this as like, this is a great bird's eye view of what is working and maybe what's not working, what's selling and what maybe isn't doing so great. Without having to guess, without having to ask around, it's there in the report. A turnover chart or pie graph. It essentially tells you how many times your inventory is turned over within that fiscal year. Now this one, people don't often think about how effective this could be. It tells you what is sitting on your shelves for long periods of time. So this could help you identify the priority of your inventory, but also it tells you what's just sitting on the shelf. What is essentially cash just not doing anything for you. Bottom line, there are so many types of reports that you could generate and customize specific to your business. Now, we at Fishbowl, we definitely create custom reports for people, but we also have just very standardized reports within the software. These reports are that crucial information that you need to know what's going on in your battlefield, your market, your industry. So take control with some reports, and you will see a change in your business. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.